Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for outdoor inspiration and landscape mastery. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Modern patio design for small spaces is a focused architectural and aesthetic approach that prioritizes functionality, clean lines, and intentionality within a limited footprint. Unlike traditional expansive backyards, these designs treat the small outdoor area, whether it's a tiny urban balcony, a narrow side yard, or a compact courtyard, as a direct extension of the home's interior living space. The modern aspect refers to a minimalist philosophy where every element serves a purpose, utilizing materials like sleek concrete, natural wood, and matte metals to create a sophisticated, uncluttered environment. It is about maximizing the potential of every square inch to create an atmosphere that feels open and airy rather than cramped and neglected. Investing in a modern patio for a small area offers significant lifestyle and property benefits that far outweigh the limited square footage. Primarily, it provides a much-needed sanctuary for relaxation and mental clarity, offering a private outdoor retreat from the confines of indoor living. From a practical standpoint, a well-designed small patio increases the usable living area of your home, effectively adding a room without the cost of a full renovation. Furthermore, these compact designs are inherently low maintenance. With less surface area and a focus on durable, modern materials, you spend less time on upkeep and more time enjoying the fresh air. Finally, a stylish, modern outdoor space significantly boosts curb appeal and property value, as contemporary buyers increasingly prioritize functional and beautiful outdoor living solutions in urban environments. To make a small modern patio truly shine, the key lies in creating visual continuity and choosing a cohesive color palette. Start by using a neutral base, such as soft grays, whites, or warm wood tones, to make the space feel larger and more cohesive. Incorporate vertical interest by using wall-mounted planters, climbing vines, or tall, slim lighting fixtures. This draws the eye upward and prevents the ground level from feeling cluttered. Integrating different textures, like a smooth stone floor against a woven outdoor rug or soft fabric cushions against a metal frame, adds depth and a high-end feel. Lighting is equally crucial. Use a mix of recessed floor lights, sleek wall sconces, or minimalist lanterns to create a warm, inviting glow that makes the space usable long after the sun goes down. By keeping the layout symmetrical and avoiding overdecoration, you maintain the clean, sophisticated aesthetic that defines modern design. Selecting the right furniture and accessories is the most critical step in furnishing a small patio. Multifunctional furniture is your best friend. Think benches with hidden storage, nesting tables that can be tucked away, or stools that double as side tables. For seating, look for leggy furniture with slim profiles that allow light to pass through, which helps maintain a sense of openness. High quality, weather-resistant materials like powder-coated aluminum, teak, or high-density polyethylene ensure longevity and a sleek look. To add life without losing space, use built-in planters or a few large statement pots rather than many small ones, which can look messy. Finally, a modern fire pit or a compact water feature can serve as a stunning focal point, providing a sense of luxury and calm that elevates the entire outdoor experience. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best modern patio designs for small spaces ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the monochrome sunken courtyard. This design features a stunning contrast between a bold black and white geometric rug and crisp white walls. The sliding glass doors create a seamless transition from the interior, while a central black fire bowl acts as a sophisticated focal point for evening gatherings. 2. Minimalist zen retreat with water feature. Focusing on clean lines and natural elements, this patio uses light gravel and large stepping stones to guide the eye. A sleek, low-profile pergola provides shade over a simple dining set, while a modern spillway fountain adds the soothing sound of running water to the landscape. 3. European bistro corner. Perfect for very tight corners, this design utilizes elevated stone tiling and a clean white boundary wall. The inclusion of woven rattan chairs and a small circular table proves that you don't need much space to create a high-end, al fresco dining experience. 4. The architectural viewing deck. This ultra-modern patio features heavy masonry walls and a cantilevered roof with recessed lighting. A built-in outdoor fireplace is integrated directly into the stone wall, offering a warm, sheltered spot to enjoy expansive views in total comfort and style. 5. Geometric floating deck with lily ponds. A creative use of levels and segments, this wooden deck is divided by square-cut ponds filled with lilies. The layout creates a floating sensation, while the surrounding lush greenery provides a natural privacy screen against the neighborhood. 6. Modern farmhouse patio with full kitchen. This space maximizes utility by incorporating a complete outdoor kitchen and a big green egg grill under a classic wooden pergola. A built-in white concrete sectional with a central fire table makes this the ultimate small-scale entertaining hub. 7. Stone wall luxury lounge. Centering on a massive, textured stone fireplace, this patio uses rich wood decking and high-end wicker sofas to create a living room feel outdoors. The symmetrical layout and manicured hedges give it a formal yet incredibly cozy atmosphere. 8. The urban oasis with artificial turf. This overhead view reveals a smart use of zones in a rectangular space. A bright green patch of artificial turf provides a soft center, bordered by a modern grilling station on one side and an L-shaped lounge area nestled under climbing vines on the other. 9. Industrial wood and stone fire pit area. Utilizing raw, chunky wood furniture and large format concrete pavers, this design embraces an industrial modern aesthetic. The square stone fire pit is surrounded by dark slate chips, creating a rugged yet clean look perfect for cool evenings. 10. Cozy lattice privacy nook. This design uses high wooden lattice fencing to create a private sanctuary in a close-quarters backyard. A modern sectional sofa and a stylish patio heater ensure the space is comfortable year-round, while oversized planters filled with yellow flowers add a bright pop of color. Creating a modern patio in a small space is all about realizing that you don't need a massive yard to have a massive impact. By focusing on smart layouts, high-quality materials, and a few key statement pieces, you can turn any tiny outdoor corner into your favorite room in the house. We hope these 10 ideas have sparked your creativity and shown you that your dream outdoor retreat is well within reach, no matter how much square footage you have to work with. If you enjoyed these modern design tips, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration on transforming your living spaces. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update on our latest home and garden tours.